Hello everyone and welcome to Suburban Stone Age. We just came back up to our property today, up to Minipoi to check on things, and I wanted to show the family for New Year's. And this is what happened. Vandals hit the property again, and there's nothing to steal except the building itself. So that's what they began to do, is actually disassemble the building and take it apart. They didn't actually get away with any of the components, but they took the building apart. They were basically stealing our home. So I'm at my wit's end. I don't know what to do. It seems the biggest challenge here are other people. And it's such a disappointment, and I don't want to give up hope though. Don't want to give up hope. So I don't even know what to do for next steps. But we're going to take some time and figure it out and do the best we can. And I'll keep you posted. Thanks for watching. I would love to hear a comment if you have one, and we will see how it goes. All right, Happy New Year, guys.